Hello, Kevin here. Today we're going to clean and decalcify the Truma water heater. Let's get started. The first step is to order your decalcification tablets. They come 6 to a package. You can order them right from truma.net. As I did. They're not cheap. They run about $19.90, I believe was the latest price. And you'll need one package of that. The package contains these little signs that you can hang on each water faucet. That'll keep you from running water during the decalcification cleaning process. They say that light will illuminate after 5,000 and some gallons of water goes through the Truma. I've had this unit 2.5 years and I've never seen that light illuminate. That's going to tell you when it's time to clean. Otherwise, it states that you should clean it once a year. We'll start by making sure the Truma is turned off at the remote panel. Next, make sure the water is off at the supply line. Make sure the water pump is off. Next, we'll open the hot water line at a couple of places to relieve pressure in the system. Put your warning signs on each faucet so that it isn't inadvertently turned on. Next, we'll open the outside cover from the Truma. And turn the system off. Open the yellow chute to drain the water. Should be only about a gallon. Pull out the screen, check it for any debris, and rinse it out if necessary. Opening the vent at the top will help the flow of water. Next, we're going to insert the pink tablets into the end of the strainer. I wear a glove because there is a mild acid in the tablets. Insert the filter back into the yellow chute. Turn the system back on. Turn the water to the motorhome back on. Now, run enough hot water just to vent the air out of the system. Just run enough to get the air out of the system because you want your tablets to remain in the filter. During the cleaning process, the light will flash 1 second on and 1 second off. Once the cleaning process is complete, the light will flash quickly. You will hear the pump running during the cleaning process. The rapid flashing indicates that it has finished the cleaning process. Next, we need to open all the faucets, run the hot water for about 8 gallons worth, and that'll rinse the system out, and the indicator on the control panel will stop flashing. Once the light goes out, turn the control knob to the off position. Now we will need to rinse the system and clean the filter out one more time. Once the system's been shut off, you'll need to again relieve the pressure in the hot water lines by opening the valve, and then we'll open the yellow chute again. Again, we shut the power off, open the yellow chute to drain the Truma. Checking the filter for any remaining particles from the tablets. Once you drain the yellow chute, open your faucet, let some water run through the hot line. Get all the air out of the system just like you normally would prior to turning your Truma back on. If you see any kind of red, let it rinse for a while to get all that material from the tablets out. Here you run plenty of water through the lines to rinse any leftover materials from the tablets out of the system and to get all the air out of the Truma system before you turn it on. This concludes my video on cleaning your Truma. Thanks for watching, and don't forget your tiffin hat.